Good Tuesday evening, family. This is Native Simply Driver family. Let me see. The screen doesn't look clear. Let's see. Hold on. All right, family. This is Native Simply Journey. Well, Tuesday, October 10th, and I got pretty much the biggest huddle, one of the biggest huddles of this project. How y'all like my little front setting? I'm gonna do a little autumn thing. I'm gonna do a little autumn. Oh, fall. I'm sorry, fall. Yeah, just a little something to do. Isn't that pretty sitting there? This was a gift, family. This is a gift from one of my subscribers. Thank you, Sherry. Appreciate it. Yes, isn't that beautiful, family? Yes, that was a gift. Thank you. Totally love it. Appreciate it. And I'm going to put some flowers out here. Just haven't decided yet what I'm going to do or what kind, really. So, family, it's nice and cool out here. It feels so good. Okay, family. So, now first, the hummingbirds. I think I only have 2 little hummingbirds hanging around. 2 females. So the rest of them has left. And this pack, this here. Let me see something this way. Okay, I think this is it. First. Okay, so that right there, that's the shed for the water pump system. Well, check this out, family. No more green pipe. Look at that. It's got a little pump system under the house. Right there, it's like a little white cap thing right there. Right there. Water. I hear a car coming. Let me see if I can see what it is. Come on. That's fine. Super nosy. But anyway, family, yes, the big thing. The septic system is in. Yes, look how mucky nasty that is. You know, I had that pipe running back here. So the septic is in. I think this is called an outlet or inlet or something. I forgot. Y'all know I don't know that language. And so the big tank was put out here. And I have two outlet things, whatever, on here. So this one right here, I want to say an inlet. I don't know what that is. That's the same thing as the one against the house. I have a nice little stack of dirt there. Look at that red dirt too, some of it. And this dirt right here, y'all, this is really nice. So yeah, look at here. So I guess as the rain stuff packed down, I'm going to be working on taking some of this dirt from here and putting it in the low areas over there. So that's going to look a little shabby for a little minute, but that's what I'm going to work on. Look at all this here. So all of this here from behind the house, all of this here, they dig the whole big old deep ditch right there to put that big, I think it's 5-gallon septic tank system. And then they did some kind of trenching through here to put some other thing down, other tank. And and also they put some little black things, connect some of the black things with the pipes. So he said it's an alarm system. If the alarm goes off, then call him. He said call him. But he said I had a really good system set up that I shouldn't have any problems with it. And he digged all the way out to the street, went right on between that little area right there where my little seating stuff at. We went all through there. So the dirt was pretty good and hard. They didn't get stuck or anything. So I was glad about that. He said he was trying to get in here and get the stuff done before the rain comes. We supposed to be having rain coming, so he said, yeah, I need to come on and get it together. And so, yeah, I said we just got through working on this beautiful little area. Yeah, it's botched up, but I'm just gonna take my rake in a day or two and bring that stuff back on the side like we had it, because it was kind of a little hilly when they got through. Kind of have a little. See, this here this was a little. This has to be pulled back in. No, just right there. Need to be straightened up. Come on down here. I think I'm right. But we had trying to I don't know. I ain't gonna worry about it today. We'll worry about it another day. But anyway, so the ditch went all the way through my property, all the way through out to the front, out to the ditch. He went all the way out to the front ditch. Yeah, ran that little pipe. So there's a pipe out there. That, I don't know septic tank language, okay? All I know is I got a septic tank system and it's all good. And look at this here. Yeah, it's okay. Nothing that the rain and stuff won't fix up. That's all a part of getting stuff done on your property. So I'm okay. I got a septic system. These are all I need to do is plug into the electricity, and I can call the electric guy out and see if I can get him to put me a outlet system, plug-in system right here by the house. And he said all I gotta do is plug in. Plug in. See the little yellow card, the black card? All I gotta do is plug in. And my toilet will be working. Everything be going to the tanks. Okay, fam, my little mustard greens. Look at that. Somebody gonna be eating greens. Yeah, they're already coming up. And I got some beets over here. My beets is coming up. The beets, I seen sign of the beets a couple of days ago. Look at the little beets. Look at that. Yep. Yep, there's another one area. Let me see. Let's get this out the way. I don't want this. Oh, no. Oh, wrong. Oops. Shouldn't have touched that. Yeah, I messed around about the roots and beets. Yeah. Look at there. Collops. Wait, mustard. The light color mustard. This is from the spring. This is the spring. Look at that. Oh, it's nice and strong too. And I really want to break it off. And I really probably need to. Jalapenos. These are still trying to stay alert. My potatoes. Plants looking good. And family, check this out. Guess what's finally growing? Tomatoes.